I'm walking on the street and try to pick up the stuff that I can use for my project. But like, make sure that you are not picking someone else's plants, okay? So here you go. I have my glove on as well, okay? So I think those are good to use. So those are not someone else's plant, which is good, okay? So I'm gonna collect that.
I'm gonna leave it right here in front of my front yard. So here, another one. So I'm gonna leave that. And some of those flowers. So at the same time, I can get rid of those because you don't want to see this in your yard, right?
So basically that's you just pick more if you can find something. Like I use the plants that I find in my house for that. Let me spend my time to pick that. Okay, this is the whole bunch of stuff that I can find around my neighborhood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to arrange them. So as I said, I want to do it outside, so I just put them the way that I like it. I don't know, the one that I got from my house, can I use it too? Let me see. Would it be cool to put it like that? Oh, I think so. It's cool. The good thing is after the project you can just leave it right here for the rest of for your labor to enjoy it, right? I just put it in front of my front yard. I feel like I don't want to do it in front of someone else's front yard. It's kind of like weird. Yeah, something like this. Oh my god, my legs hurt. I have been eating over here. Okay, so basically that's the project. I'm done. So it didn't take me long. I think only less than 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed it.